Hi, I'm Zane. I'm an engineer from Cyclops. I'm making this video today to help you diagnose some of the power problems that you're having with your Pandora. I understand that you are not getting power to your tracker or your sensor head, but you are getting power to the rest of the box. So we'll show you a couple of tricks to help verify where the power is, or maybe where some of the problems went. First, I'll point out that a tracker that is powered, if you move it a little bit, it'll snap back into position. So if your tracker does not have power and you move it, it'll be hard to move and it won't move back. So that's one trick. The computer, I think you do have power on your computer. There's a blue LED on the power button that you should see lit up if you're getting power to it. Beyond that, we'll look inside the relay box. This is the power supply that powers everything. All the power starts there. If it's working properly, you should see a green LED in there. It might not show up on the video whether or not it's lit. I'm turning the box on and off. And when the box is off, the LED is out. When the box is on, you can see the LED is lit. The power for your tracker and sensor head goes through this relay board. The relay board also has an LED indicating when it has power. You should be able to see that. So when I turn it off, this LED goes out. I turn it back on, the LED comes on. If your LED is not lit on the relay board, the first thing that you want to check is power going into it. So you can see this wire connecting the power supply to the relay board. That's the main power in. You should have 24 volts on here. So I have my multimeter with me. Set on volts DC. I'll put my negative lead in the black wire. I'll put my positive lead in the red wire. And you can see I have 24 volts on my meter. Plug this back. Another thing you might want to check is power going to the computer, the PC. This is a power converter. It converts the 24 volts coming out of the power supply to the 12 volts that the computer takes. So, move this over a little bit. Move these wires out of our way. So, this is power in on this side. You can see it's labeled. There should be 24 volts coming from the power supply, which you can see. And then power out going to the PC should be 12 volts coming out. And you can see that there. So those are the first checks that you're going to want to do. So please do those tests and get back to us with the results, whether or not you saw the LEDs and what readings you got on your power supply, and then we can go from there helping you solve the problem. Thank you.